Now for the process, you must know what is the birds. So this is a reed warbler. I know that because I see it on the shape, I see it on the legs, and I see it on the color. I know this bird very well because it's a breeding bird from Holland. And for the process, I give the bird first a ring. You can see it here. And the ring has a special number, and we write it down. So the number comes in the database. And maybe some other ringers in Holland or in Poland or countries, they catch the birds and then can see, hey, this is from Tel Aviv birds. Because on the ring is written down a number and Tel Aviv.
Tel Aviv University.
I ring now more than 30 years. In Holland, when I have my job, 2 days in the week, whole year. In vacation, I go for ringing. So it takes a long time to learn all the species, all the difference. So I measured the wing, and that is the wing of 62. That is the size is about from 60 till 70 in this bird. So 62 can be a female. We don't know. Usually males are sometimes bigger as females. Then I measure the tail in 49. Then I blow to take a look how many fat this bird has. And we use there a special scale for. I see no fat at all. And then I put the bird in and I see how many weight it is. And this bird has a weight of 8.7. That is quite low. So probably this bird fly a long journey, then the fat is empty, then he go down to look for a place where he can feed. Because if you see the trees here, so many flowers here and so many insects here, and this bird lives from insects. Yes.
Age.
Het was een
Kleine karakiet.
It's a very, very small one.
Yes, but it's 62. And it's not Bimatorium, because the second one must be shorter.
It's actually probably one of the very short migrants that is going to breed around here in Israel. Because usually, yes, because
breed here
usually
also in the north? Okay.
in center, and there used to be a time that we were getting also breeding birds here in Eilat in the reed beds. I'm not sure if this is still happening, but in the time that John Morgan was working in Eilat, he was actually, and then reed warblers were breeding. He was actually checking, and he saw that birds that are below 64 on their wing are birds that are breeding here, and birds that above are breeding further north. So 62 is a good thing that it's going to be an Israeli or Turkish or very, very close by migrant. Mind you that this species can get up to 72, 10 millimeters higher. And the 72 winged birds are breeding all the way in northern Scandinavia. So basically we can say, according to the wing length, where does this population is coming from. At least on the latitude, not on the exact location.
I ring birds in Mali, and the problem was there that there is an African species also.
Yeah, African reed warbler.
But very rounded.
Yes, and
wings.
also very rufous.
Yes, and they breed also in Morocco.
Yes,
I heard.
yes.
Well, I let it go, this bird.
But this cannot be, for example, this African one, because as I said, the African reed warbler is very, very rufous in color.
Yes.
Very strong rufous color.
This is not.
So this is a Eurasian reed warbler. It's just one of these small ones that are probably breeding between Egypt to Turkey.